Hi, my name's Cody with Method Air Heating and Air Conditioning. Every single day we have customers calling asking us to help them diagnose problems with their furnaces over the phone. Today we're going to give you 7 steps that you can do to fix your furnace, or at least try to fix your furnace by yourself. Number 1, let's check and make sure the furnace has power. First thing, check the side of the furnace. There's going to be a light switch that's going to turn the power on and off. Make sure it's in the up position or on position. The second thing is check inside your breaker panel and make sure that the breaker is in the on position. Sometimes if it's tripped, you have to turn it off and then back on to get it to reset. And then last, you're going to want to go to your furnace and look in the lower compartment. There's typically a sight glass where you can see what's going on inside the furnace. And there's going to be a small light that's either flashing or it's just on a steady on or a pulse. Check and make sure that's on. That's going to tell you that you do have power. Number 2, locate your thermostat. Make sure your thermostat is set to heating. And then also find your adjustment and let's turn the temperature to your desired temp. Now that your thermostat is set, pay attention. See if you can hear your furnace begin to come on. Now that your thermostat is set correctly, walk back downstairs and let's check and see if the system comes on. If the system doesn't react to the changes you've made on your thermostat, there's a good chance you need a new thermostat. Number 3, airflow. 90% of all service calls are dirty filters. Next, locate your registers and make sure that they are completely open and free of debris. Also find registers on your walls and make sure that there is no furniture blocking them. Number 4, all furnaces have flues. The flue is what carries the carbon monoxide gas after it is burned up and out of the house. Some of those flues go horizontally out the side of the home. 2 things to look for in flues. First, make sure on the exterior of your house that your flues are not blocked by barbecues, chairs, lawn furniture, pool boxes, items that could cause the system to not be able to circulate properly. Flues condensate, and oftentimes if there's a belly in the flue, it'll cause the water to gather and not be able to vent properly. So make sure your flue has a consistent slope from the exterior of your house to the inside of your house, to the furnace. The water collects inside the furnace and then is drained out there. Make sure your drains are draining correctly. Make sure there's water draining out of those pipes. Number 5, strange noises. Furnaces can make all sorts of noises. Most of you know what a furnace sounds like. Anything out of the ordinary can signal that there's a problem with the system. First is check the blower motor compartment. There could be a piece of paper or debris up into the blower motor. Make sure you turn the power off first before checking that area. It could cause it to wobble or become unbalanced. And the final item in number 5 is the inducer motor. Inducer motors can make all sorts of noises. When the bearings begin to go out, you'll notice that they start to make a squeaking noise or a grinding noise. This may signify that a bigger problem is about to occur and you may need a technician or a professional to come out and help resolve that problem. So pay close attention to the noises in your furnace. Number 6, ignition. Locate just outside your furnace, there should be a gas valve that will turn on and off the gas to the furnace. Make sure that is open. Once you verify that the furnace has gas, you now can check to see if it has ignition. There should be a hot source igniter or a spark that will ignite the gas and run. Make sure that that's glowing or sparking. Once the furnace ignites, you should be able to verify that there is flame. You will also be able to hear this. Number 7, make sure the system's blowing air. Just because the furnace is blowing air doesn't mean it's working correctly. So verify that it's warm and consistent. If it's not maintaining temperature, one of these other items on the list is probably causing it not to work correctly. Thank you for watching. We hope these 7 steps are helpful to you. If you still have questions, feel free to contact us at any time.